we get into the
that's what they call me. Oh baby, I'm a star tonight.
Hi guys, it's Jackie. Oh god, what is up with you? What is this? Okay. Did I spray my armpit today? Sorry. Would you be steady? I don't have time for this. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a hair tutorial, as you've already seen. So I'm not going to waste my time. I'll just get on to it. Honestly, you bitches just know how to make noise. So honestly, all my time I would be finished. Sorry, I'm just distracted today. I'm just very tired. Hold on just a minute. I need to have a conversation. I don't want to do this. I'm so tired. Can we like do this another day? You promised them that you would release a video or two every week, so I need to do it. Sure, fine, you're right. Let's just get this over and done, right? Right. Hi, let's get into the video. Before we get into the are you done? Before we get into the video, I want you guys to shop. This people are just messing with me today. Not you. So before we get into the video, I just want you guys to take a look at my bonnet. I make Ankara bonnets. So if you're willing to buy, or you want to buy for a gift or someone, or buy to sell, just let me know. Click the link down below in the description box and we will talk business. So yeah, let's get into the video. And ooh, before I leave, this is the extra large size. It's made on request, but then the other ones totally fit the head like normal. I made this for myself and some other friends, those who really want the extra large ones. These cost more, and then because they take more fabric, so they cost more. And so yeah, if you want this, you have to send me a personal request and I'll make it for you. But the other sizes equally fit the hair, whether you have braids on or not. So yeah, peace out. We're not ready for this, bitches. Water's almost done though.
Gentle boy, the youngest producer.
Okay, so over here I divided the hair into 4 sections, and I used the rubber band to tie it down, to tie the sections down. As you can see, I put a little bit of gel on my fingers, and I twist the hair, then I put the rubber band on it to hold it. So it's the same thing that I'm going to do to the other side, the exact same thing. So I divide the hair into 4 parts, put gel on it, slick it down, twist it, then I put the rubber band on it to hold it down, as you can see. So over here, I'm done twisting both sides of I'm done putting the rubber bands on both sides of the head, the parting, sorry. So what I'm doing now is I take each part, the front, the first two, and I twist it to the other side. So I twist the left to the right, then I take the right and then I put on the left. Do you get it? Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, so it's like I'm crisscrossing it, like in a simple crisscross. So I just take the additional hair there and twist it again, and I add the hair to it on the other side, as you can see. Then I twist it again, and then I would take it to the other side. So it goes from left to right, then right goes to the left, like that, as you can see me do once again. So a crisscross motion, like you're lacing a shoe. Yep, and that is it. That's all. That's a style. That's all the style is, honestly. It's nothing big, simple and easy. Okay, so this part is optional. You can decide to add some hair jewelry to it or not. But then what I realized was that the hair jewelry helps to keep the twist in place, because when you cross it to the other side, the hair tends to move with it. I don't know if you get me, but when you're actually doing it, you'll get what I'm saying. So if you actually have some hair jewelry to clip and hold the hair, not just to decorate it, but to also hold it down as you move in the left to right motion, it would really help. So that is it. Yeah, so basically the same thing I've been repeating. I keep doing it and I'm showing you guys again. Alright, so basically the style is done. All I had to do is hold a pony, and also my hair has shrunk because I sprayed it with water. So it's no longer in a straight motion. But then if you really want to make this very simple for you, I advise that you stretch your hair without heat if possible. And if you're going to use heat, remember to use a heat protectant in your hair. Alright, so for this style, you're going to need a hat brush to be able to slick the hair down. And obviously my hair is detangled, that's why it's very easy to do that. And what I'm holding right now is an elastic that I took from the hair bundles that I used to make my wigs. When you buy wigs, you realize that there are some it's mostly the bundles are tied in elastic. They are tied, how do I put it? Yes, the hair comes in bundles, and then around the bundles you have these elastic strings around it. So yeah, I'm sure most of you just throw it away, or if you go and fix your hair somewhere, your hairstylist just throws the strings away. But then these can be very useful to tie your hair, especially if you have natural hair. I use it a lot. Like I use it for my ponies, I use it for everything basically, mostly ponies of course. But yeah, that's it. So if you have this string, do not throw it away. Yeah, do not throw it away because it's very useful. It's very handy, and it's way better than using a rubber band or putting bundles of threads together just to get a long rope. Another option that I also use sometimes is the knits and thread, the yarn. I just put like 2 together and then I tie a yarn, and it's also very easy and simple to use. But this time around I like this better than that. So right now I'm just trying to braid my hair into a small knot, so that it would hide nicely and not be in a puff. So I'm just tying the little rubber bands around it, then I'll tie it and hold it down again with the same tiny rubber band. Not advisable, but whatever. So then I take my kinky braids. Okay, I haven't taken it yet. Wait, I'm gonna take it very soon. Hold on. I was having trouble with the jewelry though. It wasn't sticking in my head, and then when I put it in, sometimes it was a bit too tight. Yeah. Not that you care, but okay. Oh, where is that hair? I was supposed to be taking the hair by now. This is looking longer than I expected though. What's going on? Pick up the hair, Rich. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna go have to take a pee and come back because I can't seem to pick the hair up. Okay, I'm about to pick the hair. Hold on. Yes, I'm picking the hair. Good. So this is the hair I actually used in my Dear Love jumbo braids. Yeah, I was just sniffing it. It's not like a smelling, but then it's been in the bag for a while now, so I was just making sure it wasn't so bad, but it wasn't bad, I mean. Okay, whatever. So the same string that I used in tying my hair, I have another one tied together, and I use that to tie my hair again. Tie the ponytail and onto my hair. So yeah. So if you haven't watched the Dear Love jumbo braid video, it was actually my second or third video that I posted when I started YouTube a few months ago. So we're gonna be hitting a year soon, I think. So yeah, so you guys should watch that jumbo braid video. I think a lot of people enjoyed it, but I didn't really enjoy it, but whatever. So yeah, well, look at that, we are done. Yeah, the style is basically done. That's it. There's nothing else to do. If you want, you can hold it with bobby pins, but it was pretty much tight. I think I held it with bobby pins. Okay, I don't remember. I think so, yeah. So yeah, I'm just doing my baby hair. Do you want to see that too? Oh, okay. So that is it. I'm done with the baby. I'm done with a full ponytail. That's it. It's so simple. And I actually realized that when I was done, the middle parting looked a bit like it had shifted a bit. It wasn't really in the center. I don't know what happened because I made the pattern in the center, but I think the twisting and the pulling on the left and right made it push up a bit, but who cares? You can't judge me. Oh, can you? All right, if you want to, that's fine. Okay, I'm tired, guys. I'm going. Bye. See ya.
Gentle boy, the youngest producer.
Hi guys, so this is the finished look of the ponytail. Simple, sleek, short, and let's just say I used between 30 to 45 minutes to finish the whole hair because I wasn't sure about what look I was going for in the first place. I was just playing around with this a bit, then I realized that this was okay, this is what I wanted, then I went on with it because initially it was just going to be a normal high ponytail like how I usually do it, but then I decided to add a little twist to it. So this is how the front looks, and this is the back of the hair. And yeah, so the hair I used is my old hair in my Dear Love's jumbo braid, my jumbo braid video. The hair I took off, that is what I used for this, just a little bit. So yeah, I am done. And also I'm gonna drop the link down for the SDS gel, and I use very little because I'm almost out. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, please share, please subscribe, and leave a comment below what you think about this look. The makeup is pretty simple, right? Yeah. So that is it. And also I'm gonna ask you guys for your opinion. I'm having a graduation soon in my fashion design school. I'm gonna be graduate from my fashion design. So I wanted to know if you guys would like me to vlog when I can during the fashion show, like behind the scenes, and when I'm getting ready to leave, and the night before rehearsal and everything. So I don't know if you guys would be interested in that, so I'll vlog it and then let you know. So peace and thank you. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, and if you're old here, thank you for watching. I love you, and I can't say how much I appreciate you. So thank you guys. And all my new friends from Facebook, I want to say hi, hello, hello, hello. And my new friends from Instagram, I want to say hi, hello, and I hope you stay, and I hope you share, and I hope you like it. So bye.